Well, thank you for joining me in Jigsaw Shed. So there's a project for this week. It's a little salt cellar that my dad requested. So he wanted olive for the pot, but I decided to give it a American walnut lid with a little olive knob on top. I really love how this turned out, and it was really a lot of fun making it. So obviously the lid is not a tight fit, as it needs to be able to come off easily while you're cooking, with just being able to do it with one hand. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you've not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel, and do leave me a comment down below. So just want to give a shout out to some makers. I had the privilege of being at the Chestnut Products Woodturning Weekender recently and got to meet some great makers. Firstly, there is Stephen Madden, Wood Dude. Do go check out his Instagram and Facebook. Some beautiful artistic pieces that he's done. Then there's Circular Wood by Keith. Now this is a business card, but it will still go up on the sticker board and on the digital board. Do go and check out Keith's channel. He does some great tuition in his lives. Very knowledgeable guy, and you will learn a lot from him if you're into turning. Then I got to meet Stuart Furini. Absolutely great guy, and I find a lot of inspiration in his work with the colouring and just the experimentation with textures and the colour. If you've not checked him out yet, please do go and see. Then I had the privilege of meeting Emma Cook, the Tiny Turner. I didn't manage to catch her demo at the Woodturning Weekender, but did get to have a nice chat with her, and yeah, do go and check out her work as well. Again, very knowledgeable and very good turner. Then in the post, I received from Australia, Sets Repurposing. He's got a channel up on YouTube as well, so do check out his work. And then also Liberty 60 on Instagram. I will leave all these links in the description below. Please do go and check these guys out and give them a bit of a follow or subscribe to their channels. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.